All right, I'm gonna attempt to fix this lawnmower transmission. Um, the pulley broke. It's plastic, but I'm gonna see if I can repair this somehow, or repair this with some JB weld. It says it bonds to plastic, metals, and more. So instead of buying a whole new transmission, or I'm having trouble finding this exact part or piece, and trying to get it off is pretty difficult. So it still works, but you see a big chunk or a big piece got shipped out here. So see if I can kind of rig this back together. So let's go. Take some tape. Says we'll just I guess there's two parts to this, and when you mix it together, it hardens like steel, and it bonds to plastics, metals, but I've used it on a couple other applications, and it works pretty well. So I'm gonna put some on here, and then after it dries, we'll sand it. We'll sand it down smooth. See if we save ourselves some money on buying a new transmission. You know, if you try this at home, do it at your own risk, because you know, it could this is just a homemade repair. It's not the technically you should buy a new transmission or a new pulley, but this could damage your engine, could damage the transmission. And be careful when using this. Read your caution label and your warning label. You have an allergic reaction. You don't inhale it, wear a mask. And it can irritate your skin, your eyes. See if I can save myself some money here. Even with the money, you can't find this pulley. Doesn't seem to have a number on it, and I don't want to buy a whole new transmission. Okay, so we'll let that dry up for about an hour. I'll come out here and sand it up a little bit, kind of fine tune it, and then we'll take a look at it. But that's just to kind of hold the belt from coming off. Okay, so it's all dry now, and show you what it looks like. Then we're gonna. It's pretty. It's hard. It's you can see where the plastic. This is plastic, but you can see where it chipped off. Kind of just puttied it. I'm gonna try to sand it smooth. But the belt, at least the belt, I mean the belt was staying on. I didn't even notice this until I had to take this off to fix my wheel. Or the rear axle holder I had to fix, so I had to take this transmission off. But I noticed a big chunk was missing from the pulley, so maybe a branch, a stick, a rock, or something got caught underneath and it broke. But or just, you know, wear and tear from being old, or over tightening the belt, who knows. But yeah, it's pretty this JB Weld is pretty good stuff. But just gonna try to sand it up a little bit, and at least the I mean the belt wasn't coming off, but no, it definitely shouldn't come off now. It's an old mower, so I'll sand it up, and when I'm done sanding it up, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so we got it all sanded up, and it doesn't look that bad. It'll definitely keep the belt from hopping off. But clean it up a little bit more, and should be good. Now, if you could replace this, replace it. But this is a Honda lawnmower, and some of the parts on the older ones are hard to find. And Hondas are my favorite 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. So this repair is just really keeping the belt from hopping off, because again, this was chipped or cracked right here. So that'll just keep the belt from hopping off. But this pretty strong, so strong enough for that. Put that back on and then see how it looks.